Hi friends, I'm coming to you with that blush planner setup that I promised you, so let's get started. Okay friends, I'm so excited to be able to share this planner setup with you. I recently did a video where I put together a gift for my bestest buddy, and I shared with you how I put that together, and in that was a planner for her to use because she's really busy and this is really something that she can use. And I asked if you wanted to see how I set it up, and many of you said you did, so that is the purpose of this video today. The planner is a cloth and paper planner. It's absolutely beautiful. It has the gold hardware, so I love that about it. And it's in that color that she has loved for years, that peachy blush color that's really popular. I had a plate made with her name on it because I didn't get it customized from cloth and paper, but they do customize. I just didn't realize that I could do that at the time. And so I did go to a trophy shop and had them make a plate with her name on it so that she still could have that personalization in her planner. And so here we have all of that, and now for the dividers. You all know a very budget-friendly way to make your dividers is by taking beautiful cardstock or scrapbook paper and laminating it. It really works well as far as planner dividers and very cost-effective. And you simply hole punch them, and you can make so many different dividers. You know, with the papers that are out there on the market now, friends, you can really make something that's customized to you. I did those beautiful blush colors and gold and creams and things that I felt like she would like. And the great thing about the dividers, they each can be unique, so it really can give a great look to your planner. So the dividers are going to enable me to section off the different areas of her planner, and I'll use tabs. I love this beautiful rose, gold, and blush color together, and because she loves flowers, I put this as the very first one. So now that we have all our dividers in there, we're ready to start filling this baby up. And so the first thing is, of course, her calendar. And you all know I love the Webster's calendar. I'll put a link below if you're interested in that. And I love that it has the month view, and it also is great because it has the lines, and it allows her to plan out her month. And then it also has her weekly view. So in a planner, I like to categorize the monthly view as her actual calendar. So I'll tab it off as her calendar, and then the weekly view I'll tab off as her actual schedule. Because she is an entrepreneur, I have her meeting notes here so that she can have her meetings. I also have one for her student because she is in school, so having one for her to plan out her classes and things like that. So she has the student planner, and these are actual printables of mine that I use with my clients because I do put together planners for my clients, and so these are the inserts that I use with them. And so I tried to include things that I know related to her life, and those are the things that when you're putting together a planner, you want to be sure to just include those things that you're really going to utilize. And when you buy a planner, if it comes with inserts and you really don't use them, save that space in your planner and really just, you know, take them out and only have your planner, which I call your personal assistant, have the things that you need. Another thing that I put in her planner was a productivity sheet in there to help her kind of plan out her day. So as you can see, she still has plenty of room to customize it to fit other things that she feels she needs. I have this little pad here that I got from Cloth and Paper also, and then because I'm subscribed to their subscription box, this actually came in my last month's box, and I love that it had that blush color on it, so I passed this along to her because it fit her planner perfectly. Along with it had the coordinating pad here, and it's just really a fun way to jot down notes, and if she needs to leave notes, anything that she needs, she can have it right here tucked away, and she can even use it inside her planner. And of course, you all know I was going to give her my favorite stickers, which are so hard to find. I love these when I'm planning because you can block off a lot of areas, along with a little bookmark here. I feel like you can never have enough markers in your planner because you're marking all of these different sections. And what I love about having different markers, and I use hairpins actually a lot of times for markers, is because it allows you to kind of identify different areas easily by the look of the pen. So I may use one pen to identify my today. I may use another one to identify things that I need to do next week or somebody's birthday or anything like that. And then I love this bookmark that I found in Tuesday Morning. Really cute, and I thought she could use this with her classes and her books. It's a great way to have that tucked in her planner, so she can even use it in her planner if she likes. So I was trying to put things that I felt like she would use, and of course Cloth and Paper has the coordinating pen to go with the planner, so of course I had to get it for my buddy. The only thing that I didn't like is that it doesn't fit in the planner, so not in the loop of the planner, and so I'm going to have to clip it on the outside. So you can keep it with the planner, but it's a little thicker for the actual loop, so it doesn't fit in there, but it still looks beautiful together, and I think she's going to absolutely love it. And then also the tassel. I found the tassel at Michael's, and it's really cute because it's a great accessory for a planner, and it has the charger on it, so it's a phone charger, so she can have her phone charger with her on the go. And I simply just click this on the inside, and you all have seen me do this several times, but it's just really a beautiful accessory for her planner. So now I'm going to add some additional things that are going to help her really have a lot of function in her planner. One is going to be these priority tabs, which I love, and they're numbered, and it allows her to identify priorities throughout her planner, throughout her day. If she's having a meeting in the morning, that's her first priority. She can put that on her meeting sheet in her planner. If her schedule is her second priority to attend to, she can put that on number 2. I also love these little tabs here because I can put these on the dividers and customize them so that she can identify each section in her planner, and it's a beautiful way to do so. And these planners really, these tabs really function great. And so I just simply print out the names of the different categories and slip them in there, and they lock down, and it really just gives a beautiful look, and it's a lot of function. So friends, these are all of the things I included in her planner. She definitely has room and the ability to tweak it however she sees fit. Your planner really has to function for you. We all work differently. We all think differently. I just wanted to give her the tools in this planner so that she can move it around, tweak it however it fits her. I finished it off in one of my simple bags here, and I'm excited to get it in her hands. I also am excited to get that In Style box in your hands, and I'm so excited that we're getting closer to that ship date. If you haven't subscribed, you still have time to subscribe to the box, and I hope you all will. I'll put the link in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.